Here we go. Let's start transferring Samsung data to a new iPhone 12 now. Google www.things.com. Go to its download center. Download Things Mobile Manager and Things Data Transfer on your Windows PC or Mac. Solution 1. Selectively transfer Samsung data to iPhone 12. Start Things Mobile Manager and connect both your Samsung and iPhone to a computer. You can select songs, videos, photos, contacts, and messages to transfer between Samsung and iPhone. You can choose Samsung files you need to backup and restore to iPhone. Also, you can manage other contacts on your phones, such as apps. If you need to transfer contacts, go to Contacts. Before the transfer, you can edit contacts. Edit or add information of this contact, then save it. Choose contacts you need, then backup to PC. Now we can restore the backup to your iPhone. Go to Information Contacts of iPhone. Just tap Recover. Choose the new created backup and restore. Solution 2. Directly transfer Samsung data to iPhone 12. Go to Toolkit to open Phone Transfer Tool. Or just start Things Data Transfer app. You can try backup and restore modes later. To transfer data between phones directly, we choose Transfer Mode. Tap Switch icon when you need to exchange the positions. Then go to Next Step. Choose contacts you need, then tap Next. Tap Next again to start the transfer. Do not disconnect your phones when transferring data. Your iPhone will reboot to refresh the new imported data. And when rebooting, your phone will disconnect automatically, but you don't need to disconnect them physically. It's done when you are prompted transfer completed, and duplicated files will be skipped. That's all today. If you like this video, please subscribe us for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'm 16.